Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by isolating simple radio issues. Toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds and then turn it off to force a radio reconnect. Once done, restart the phone. A full reboot clears temporary modem faults installed services. While it reboots, eject the SIM tray and reseat the card, or test with a known working spare SIM to rule out SIM or tray damage. Make sure contacts are clean and the SIM sits flat before closing the tray and letting the device finish booting. You now verify configuration that governs signal choice. Open mobile network settings and try switching modes, set to 4G only, then back to automatic, to test compatibility with nearby towers. Next, update carrier settings and confirm APN values match your provider. Incorrect APN blocks data. If the phone supports PRL or carrier updates, apply them. Finally, try manual network selection to force registration to a specific operator. This exposes roaming or automatic selection errors and helps pinpoint whether the issue is handset or network side. You finish by performing restore and elimination steps. Reset network settings to clear corrupt configs. Remember, this removes saved Wi-Fi networks and paired Bluetooth devices, so have credentials ready. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is blocking radio services. As a last check, place your SIM into another phone to confirm the SIM or account. If that fails, contact your carrier and verify outages or provisioning. Tip: when stuck, a carrier account refresh or remote reprovisioning often restores service quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.